we're going to stack things. Hey, do you want to come up on Mommy? Do you want to come in Mommy's lap?
Go ahead and shoot some.
Oh, you want me to?
So I can quiet this guy. Now, what about this one? Where does that one go? That's a good. And he's making his little intent face.
Where's this white one? Oh, it's underneath. Oh, good. Now you got to get the orange one in there, hon. You got to get the orange one. Kitty, he did it. Look.
Wow.
Ta-da!
Good job.
Very good.
Can you make a tower? What about that green one? Do you want to get that one? Do you want to put them together? Wow, good job.
He knows he's got it now. He knows he's got it.
He saw the
That's
tower.
why. Yeah, that's why. Yay! Whoops! One more time.
One more. Be careful.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Oh.
You did it!
Wow.
You did it!
That's so pretty.
Yeah.
What do you want to do now? Do you want to take this apart?
Oh, Raymond, you're wonderful too. Yeah.
You know he doesn't want to. He doesn't want to ruin it now.
No, he wants to admire it.
Look at his little face full of achievement.
Raymond wants to knock it over.
Look, no, that's his. Now let's do this one. Let's take this one. Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
No, good job. Good job.
I feel bad for Raymond.
No, here, Raymond. Let's go build. Do you want to go build one too? Let's go. You can build one too. Let's go find some blocks to build. Let's go find our own blocks. And we can build something really pretty too. Let's see.
Hey, Ray Ray. Ray Ray, wave to the camera. Say hi, cutie man.
Oh no. Go right here. Let's go build. Let's go build, make it tall. Right there. Let's go
It's
make
the camera,
something
huh?
tall. Oh, there's more. Look. Let's go build.
He's coming over here.
Ray, let's go build. Can you put
Eli
those
carefully
together?
moves his tower out of
Can you put those together?
the line of fire.
Eli is so proud. Can you put these together and build something really tall? No, you have yours.
He says, yeah, but it's done.
But isn't it very hard? Did you actually move it over to protect it?
Yes.
That is so cool that we saw it from beginning to end.
Whoopsie daisy, there it goes. Okay, he tipped it over on purpose.
Yay! Yay! Can you do it again?
Whoops. Yes, I like that laugh he gives when he gets it, and he knows he's got it. Yay! Yay! Yay!
What do you have? You have something too. Look at me.
What, honey?